Tonight, an Amtrak train that stopped in both Utica and Syracuse is part of the investigation into possible spread of the coronavirus. A passenger of that train who got off in the Buffalo area is confirmed to have the virus. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan is bringing that concern to Onondaga County leaders at their latest briefing in the Emergency Operations Center.
As the Erie County Health Department investigates its now 11 confirmed cases in the Buffalo area, the health department is going back to see where all of these people may have exposed other people. So they've released a list of public places where people may have come into contact with an infected person. Here is that list. It starts with, we are advising any individuals who are present at the following locations on the specified dates to monitor themselves daily for symptoms of COVID-19. Then it lists those places and includes, with the date March 9th, an Amtrak train, number 49, from New York City to Buffalo with a midnight arrival in Buffalo. At the bottom of that list, it reads, if you develop symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, call your doctor for medical advice. The following symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. That train mentioned on the list is on the Lakeshore Limited line, which has stops from New York north to Albany, then west along the Thruway Corridor, which includes Utica and Syracuse. Onondaga County leaders tell me they have not been made aware of any specific threat to Syracuse connected from people on that train.
If somebody is like 6 feet away, they have the mask and everything, how do you decide those? So a lot of details, without knowing those details, I am not going to comment on that because that will be inappropriate. What I can say at this point is, what we look at the facts, we look at that it could be in a different car, doesn't mean it's going to transmit throughout the car. So if we didn't get a message, we are not going to start investigating. And sometimes people do contact us if they have questions, and we are there to help and support our community.
Health Commissioner Dr. Gupta tells me that there's a state health system in place for multi-county concerns. If there were any concerns coming from those Erie County cases, they would be notified through the state health department. In downtown Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.